So guys, overall, this is great. Now this is a liquid soap dispenser, so keep that in mind. If you're expecting a foam to come out, you're going to be waiting for a very long time. This is for liquid soap, so you can put your foaming soap liquid in, but keep in mind, so here's the key, and the key just places in. See, we got to see how we do this here to see if we can lock it in place. So I think if we turn it like that, there we go. Now kids can get access to it. Overall, I'm happy, guys. I like this. It's cool. You can see it, watch it. You can put all types of liquid soap, even hand liquid soap. Ooh, hello, my beautiful little friends. How are you guys doing today? So for today's video, we're checking out this soap dispenser. So I will admit right off the bat, so from the listing, it actually looks like it's really big. I'm actually glad that it's not super big because, well, I'm a personal guy that loves small, compact things. So this is definitely small, definitely compact. Now the question is, will it work? So this is actually pretty cool. I like this, that it's clear and open, so you guys can see from all directions other than the back, of course. Wow, I like that. You got your sensor on the bottom here. So let's see, this bracket looks like it just slides down. So you pull it down, pop it out. That allows you to pop the lid up. So inside here, they provide you with your screws, your mounting bracket, and everything. Very nice. It looks like you can lock it as well, so you can't open the lid. Very nice. Well, that's smart. So let's go ahead and see. Looks like it takes 4 AA batteries, my friends. So let's dig down into our battery compartment. If you can hear. So there's a button under here to press and hold it to turn it on. Once you have it turned on, you can actually press the button and you can adjust how much soap comes out. So you can press the button and it will automatically adjust based on, you know, how much soap you want to come out. So it's actually very simple, easy setup. You're gonna want to put your hand soap inside here as well. I recommend that you guys test this out before you install it somewhere to make sure that it actually is dispensing, and make sure to use the correct hand soap. If you do not want to mount it on the wall with screws, they do give you these clear brackets that allow you to mount it as well. So, all right guys, as a test run, here we have it. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. We didn't fill it up with that much, just for testing. Now, I want to show you guys here. We can easily pop this on and off. No drilling. We just used the tape, and it's not going anywhere. I mean, it's stuck. So with this, you might have to put your hand under a couple times for it to feed through the line, because there's probably going to be air in the line. And make sure you use the correct soap. There we go. So I started hearing it. Okay. All right, there we go. So now it is working. So for us, yeah, so we got it perfect that it falls right in our sink as well if we miss it. But that should be enough. I think that's enough soap. Yeah, because it's definitely getting our hands soapy. So guys, it works great. Again, we had some water in ours. If you want it, overall, I'm happy, guys. I like this. It's cool. You can see it, watch it. You can put all types of liquid soap, even hand liquid soap. If you're using a thicker soap, just add some water with it. But overall, guys, I'm very happy with it.